Okay, it's recording. Just hold it there, sweetie. Okay, hold it right there. Up a little bit. Right there, right there. Hold it right there. Okay.
Will it be loud?
No, it's not gonna be real loud. Well, I mean it's loud, yeah, but don't worry about it. It shouldn't scare you or anything. Okay, ready? Oh, I gotta turn the choke on. Hold on. Just keep it right there. Okay, I kind of makeshifted an air cleaner here. Just put a makeshift air cleaner on it. Now, if you can walk back. Okay, walk back here. Look at the back of it.
Okay,
Let's go back to the back so we can hear it. Okay, it's got the choke on right now, so let me stand right there, okay? Oh, now, it's recording, honey. Okay, let's go back. Come back up here. Okay. And then we can go around to the other side. Let me just go ahead and run the throttle a little bit. Oh, it's all right, honey. Oh, she's a little scared. It's a little loud. Okay, come back here. Come back here. It's all right, honey.
I got it, Dad. I got it.
Okay, just stand back here. Just stand and then go like this here, so we can see it. Right there. Okay. It's all right, honey. All right. It's all right. Just a minute. I'm just gonna do that a couple more times. Hang on. Put your hands over your ears. There you go. There you go. It's all right. Okay, you still recording?
Yep.
Alright, I'll take over. We should have been able to hear it that time. Could you hear it back there?
Yeah.
Thank you. Alright, here's the little Triumph here. And that is a makeshift air cleaner. That's not, can't close the hood with that on there. And then here's the tire. I was taking it down the road there, just using the emergency brake because the master cylinder is, needs replaced on this here. But I was using the E-brake, emergency brake to stop it. So I was driving up and down the road and the tire, it was already bad, but it went real bad after I got on it a little bit there. So, but this is the 4Runner, so it's I mean it's you know. right, I'm gonna get this video shot off to you here, and we'll go from there. I think I could hear it. Hopefully you could hear it back here where Whitney was. And Whitney was back here, but we'll see. We'll check it out here in just a minute. All right. I'll spin it around there. And that is the video of the 76 Triumph Spitfire. This is for you, Daniel. So look forward to talking to you, whether we do business or not. Take care, man.